Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and of course, as we continue looking at what's to come in Windows, a lot of you like me to talk about, the latest news of what's coming up. So first of all, remember, if you want the new Start menu and look and feel of 20H2 and the May 2020 update. I think some people don't understand that you have to be on the May 2020 update, the latest version of Windows 10. To work, you need to have the KB update that I talk in the video. So just make sure that you do that and that you copy and paste correctly all the text coming from that page. Now, this is the look and feel and pretty much what 20H2 is going to be. I mean, when you get this on the May 2020 update, you're, not going to get much in terms of new things next fall. We were talking, one of the things that I would like to talk about, because a lot of you have been asking me, the stability of Windows 10 and depending on the updates and so on. With updates that are last year we had the May 2019 update, then we had a small cumulative update that made the November 2019 update. Then we had, of course, this big update, which is the May 2020 update or version 2004. And later this fall, of course, 20H2 follows in the same way of last year with a small cumulative update. And I was thinking that the best updates to actually go to when you are, or when you want to go to a new update, is always the second smaller update of the year. That means if I had a recommendation for those that are scared of moving ahead, well, if you're on the May 2019 update, one of the logical things would be to wait until the fall update of this year, or 20H2, gets activated. Why? Because one of the things that we noticed in the May 2019 update is that when the cumulative update appeared in the fall for the November 2019 update, and that update had a lot of fixes in it, kind of fixing the May 2019 update, if you want, in some of the bugs and the problems. Which brings us to, version 2004 or version 2004. And we tested the May 2020 update since December officially. But remember that last year, for those that were an insider, there were promises of something big coming up, and what happened is we started testing the May 2020 update actually way back in February of 2019. Early last year, we started testing what is version 2004. It was complete by December, and yet it's unexplainable, the amount of blockers because of little problems here and there. They had a lot of time to test, and I am surprised that they have not been able to bring us something that upgrades to everybody with as minimum problems as possible. It's really weird. And once again, for those that see it in Windows Update, it typically means it should be safe. But like I am saying now, the second update of the year has more fixes and seems to be that update that you want. Now, of course, you will have the kind of revamped start menu if you want and so on, and look and feel like you have here. One of the things that is interesting is next year. So right now we still, as per information we get, a lot of it coming from Mary Jo Foley from All About Microsoft. first half of the year will be Windows 10 X, and that was supposed to be later this year, by the way, and now it's early next year. And the second half will be 21H1. But something interesting we're learning is that 21H1 might not actually have a lot of new features to offer. So it's getting interesting. It seems like, what are you actually planning to do with Windows 10 at this stage? If you're not adding really much, you're just going to update it to, regularly for I don't know what reason. It's a strange moment we're getting into. And of course, once again, we are early. We don't know what exactly is going to happen next year. Microsoft hasn't said anything officially. If we look at what happened last year, big promises with early testing of 20H1, which is the May 2020 update, that's finally just ended up being a feature update with not that much to offer, with lots of update blockers. It simply means that there's kind of no direction, and it simply means that even what we think now is to be the case might not even be the case, and who knows, we might arrive in December and then suddenly, Windows 10 X is not going to happen. It's weird. And it is kind of an indication that Microsoft doesn't know where to go with Windows right now. So it's kind of weird. And Windows 10 X, which started out as being something that should have been, kind of a new way of Windows 10, which now is deprecated with the first version not running, Win32 apps. This is weird. Honestly, it's just a nonsense, and showing that there's really no direction going forward. But we'll keep an eye on all of this, of course. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.